Hello everybody, my name is Mansi Mittal. I am a business owner and along with my sister we run a store called Kia Boutique in Malad, and I think we've been associated with Fortune Wealth for the past 15 to 18 years for sure. So with me I can't think in numbers. I can think in colors because of my profession. I can only think in colors. So for me this financial journey, this numbers and the stock market, I'm a layman. But the good part is finding someone like Fortune Wealth and especially Kavita. So all of my investments, I think she just has to tell me, ye karo, and I'll be like, if you feel right, please go ahead. To an extent that after my son has been born, all my investments regarding him, his future, his education have totally only been done with Fortune Wealth. For me, it's more of a personal decision than a financial one. Because for me, Kavita feels like family. For me, her word is the last word. I don't bother looking at, oh my god, what rate is the stock at right now. For me, it's like she'll do what's in my best interest. She will always take decisions which are good for me, and that's how it works for me. I'm very comfortable with their services, especially her. So anytime that this happens, that by chance if I'm glanced through something and I've seen what the rates are, and if I'll be like, Kavita, did you see this? What has happened? And she's very clear, like, madam, we are in for the long term. आप ये सब छोड़ दो. ये सब आप देखो ही मत. She's got very straightforward answers and she has this calming way of talking. I'll be like, okay, she's so confident, I'm sure my money's safe. So then I don't bother enough. So 25 years is landmark, it's epic, and it takes a lot of grit for a company to reach 25 years, not just complete 25 years, but to be extremely successful at what they do. They do it so well is because they don't treat this as business, it's more of extended family. For me, all of my future investments, everything related to him, whatever I have to do for the back part of my life, I only look at them. I can't rack my brains. Like, again, for people like laymen like me, Fortune Wealth is godsend. Could not get better than this, because look at me, real person, actual layman. I would not know anything about which in fact, just outside I asked someone, what is the difference in short term and long term? I did not even know that much, which is true. Like, I asked Darshan 5 minutes back because I didn't know. I don't understand numbers. I do colors very well. So for people like me, I think it's amazing how this platform really helps us to reach our financial goals without stressing over it.